LPT: use ice to clean your garbage disposal. I had a plumber come deal with a clogged kitchen drain a while back. He snaked it out, and I also mentioned my sink garbage disposal was smelling a bit off. He asked me for enough ice to fill the disposal and ran it without turning the water on until it was chewed up. Then he ran cold water for about a minute. Smell instantly gone. Apparently this cleans the blades without damaging them and congeals crud in the disposal and drain into something that can just wash into the sewer line. I'd use lemons, vinegar, etc. But ice? Would have never thought of it. I do this once a month and have never had issues since.